Okay, I'm out here by my driveway and we just had very heavy rains today. As you can see, pretty much everything has now evaporated. All the water has evaporated, but there's still a puddle over here in the area that I think is essentially draining from the field over here onto the driveway. And as you can see over here, there's still quite a bit of water. The ground is very saturated. There's water puddling up all along the edge here of the driveway. This would be the western edge of the driveway, and from there the water goes downhill, and lo and behold, this is the area here that, as you can see, is all cracked and falling apart. I suspect that some of this water, aside from draining over the driveway, where essentially it becomes a river of water, I think it's also quite possibly percolating under the driveway and washing away the compacted crushed rock base of the driveway, and therefore likely causing this area here to cave in. So this is not a simple repair where you just simply apply new blacktop. I'm not sure if this should have some sort of French drain going across there, or digging out a pond over here to take up the water, intercepting it before it gets over here, or a combination of the two. Also possibly building up this area here with some like landscaping material and building somewhat of a berm there. So it'd be a combination of a berm over here and then dig out a pond in this area. I'm not sure yet. Anyway, that's it for now.